Enhance your community, link Twitch to Discord. As an active Twitch streamer, you know how important it is to maintain community engagement outside of your live streams. Linking your Twitch account to Discord can transform your Twitch experience, merging your streaming world with a vibrant community space. This connection drives engagement through automatic stream notifications, exclusive subscriber perks, and powerful moderation tools. Why link Twitch to Discord? The benefits of connecting Twitch and Discord are significant. First, linking these platforms enhances community engagement. With a direct line to your followers, you can foster deeper connections as viewers, discuss your latest plays, and share gaming tips, even when you're offline. Secondly, offering exclusive perks for subscribers can greatly reward your loyal supporters. By creating subscriber-only channels, you provide special content that makes them feel appreciated and keeps them engaged with your community. Streamlined communication is another key benefit. This integration ensures efficient dialogue among your fans and moderators, making it easier to deliver announcements and maintain a drama-free environment. Moreover, automated notifications for live events mean your community will always be informed when you go live, reducing the hassle of manual announcements and ensuring no one misses your best content. Getting started. To connect Twitch with Discord, you need both a Twitch account and a Discord account, as well as Twitch affiliate or partner status if you want to create subscriber-only channels. You should also have server admin permissions or the ability to manage bots like MEE6 or Nightbot to streamline your notifications. Once you have everything set up, you're ready to link your Twitch to Discord and supercharge your community. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.